Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about not having views on your TikTok videos or having 0 views on your TikTok videos. Most times you go ahead posting lots of videos on your TikTok account, but you end up not having any views. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be pointing out the possible problems and also giving you guys the solution. Hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able to find a solution to not having views or having 0 views on your TikTok videos. So guys, if you're having issues with not getting views on your TikTok video, just make sure you watch this video to the end. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you open your TikTok app. So guys, you're having 0 views when you post your video on TikTok. The first thing you have to check up is your upload setting. First of all, you go over to that plus icon, the upload icon, tap on it. Let's go ahead to choose a video to upload. Let's take this one over here. Once you choose your video, you tap on next. So guys, there's something I want you to take note of before you actually post any video, because it's going to actually affect the numbers of views that you're going to get on that particular TikTok video that you want to upload. So guys, what you have to do is to check who can view this post. You can see it there, tap on it. You can see here what I've chosen is everyone. That means everyone can actually view this post. But if you put it on only you, that means you're the only one that will be able to see this video. And if you put it on friends, that means your views will be limited. And if you have no friends, that means nobody will actually view the TikTok video that you post. So guys, make sure that this option is always on everyone. Make sure it's always on everyone. So guys, the next thing that you need to check out for is your privacy setting. Your privacy setting can actually affect the number of views that you get. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on your TikTok profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then you tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top right corner. Then you tap on settings and privacy. Then under settings and privacy, tap on privacy. So guys, under the private account, if that private account is toggled on, that means your TikTok account is on private. That means only your friends will actually view it, or only yourself will actually view it. Let's see what is written there. Say with a private account, only users you approve can follow and watch your videos. So if that thing is toggled on, only those that you approve to watch your videos will be able to watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So guys, you can see, make sure that this thing is always toggled off. If it's toggled on, it's going to have a blue tick. Let me show you guys what I mean. Let me toggle it on. You can see now it's on. If it's on like this, just make sure you toggle it off, because this will affect your views. This is responsible for your video not having any views. So let me toggle it off once again. So I've toggled it off. So guys, still under the privacy setting, under this suggest your accounts to others, toggling on all of these features will enable TikTok to suggest your videos to your friends, to your contacts on your phone, to people with mutual connection with you, to people who open or send links to you. So guys, just make sure you toggle all of this on so that you have the chance of having so many views. So guys, the next thing that you need to check out for that might be responsible for your no views or your 0 views is to check out the video you uploaded. Any video you've uploaded a while ago, just tap on any of the video. Then you tap on the 3 dots below, tap on it. Over here we have 3 sections, the upper one, the middle one and the lower one. So under the lower one, you're going to check out for your privacy setting. For this particular video, you tap on privacy setting, as you can see there. Then make sure that this is on everyone. If it's on only me, that means you're the only one that's going to see the video. If it's on friends, that means only your friends that are going to see the video, and this is going to limit the number of views you can get. So make sure it's always on everyone, okay? So guys, the next step that you need to take is to share your videos to your friends. First of all, you tap on the 3 dots there. Then you tap on share. So what you have to do is to share this video to your friends. Let me share to some of my friends. So what you do, you ask them to watch the video. So when they watch the video, what you have to do is to go over to your TikTok profile and check out the video if the views is actually showing them. So if they've watched the video and if confirmed they watched the video, and you go over to your TikTok profile and check out the video, then the number of views is not showing, that means that TikTok is actually reviewing that particular video. It may be that that particular video is actually going against their community guidelines and they are trying to review it again. So guys, let me mention other things that can actually grow or increase your views on TikTok. First of all, make sure that your video has a good quality. Poor quality video will actually give you a zero view or reduce your views in general, because TikTok tend to propagate videos that have high quality. Secondly, make sure you're using trending TikTok song or sound. This will actually make you to grow your views and your followers. And thirdly, make sure you're using trending hashtags. Using trending hashtags is one way that you can use to boost your views and your followers. So guys, this is all for today, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye, peace.